In this practical lab, we are gonna take a look to the VTP configuration together, guys. We have 3 steps to accomplish. In the first step, we need to configure Madrid as VTP server, Miami as VTP transparent, and Tokyo as VTP client mode. VTP domain name will be network EL, and our VTP password will be network EL123. Then we need to create VLANs 10, 20, and 30 on Madrid and check the show VLAN command output for 3 switches. Let's go. Configure Madrid as VTP server, Miami transparent, and Tokyo as the client. I'm opening my packet tracer and I'm in the Madrid right now. Alright, let's go. Conf VTP and question mark. As you can see that to set the VTP mode, I need to use mode command. To set domain and password, I need to use domain and password commands. Pretty straightforward. VTP mode server. As you can see that device mode is already VTP server. The iOS is saying me that. As we talked in our previous slides, the default mode for Cisco switches of VTP is server mode. Okay, we go ahead. VTP domain network EL and VTP password network EL123. Please keep in mind that if you want to share the VTP advertisements in different switches, they must have a same VTP domain name and same VTP password. Okay, I completed the Madrid and I need to go to the Miami now. Enable, config, and VTP mode will be transparent for Miami, and VTP domain will be network EL, and password also will be the same with the Madrid. Oops. Oh no. What's going on? Okay, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna fix it. What is going on, my friend? Okay. I don't know what happened, but I set the domain name to network EL12 instead of network EL, and that's why we are having this issue. No VTP domain. I don't know why the hell it's not removing this. What is it? Why don't you remove it? No VTP mode. No VTP password. Okay. I'm going to hardcode the domain name again. VTP domain network EL. Okay. It's a kind of weird, but I don't know if only packet tracer is not letting me to do that. And I couldn't delete the domain name, but I could change it. I don't know, it's weird. Whatever, we fixed. VTP domain network EL and VTP password will be network EL123. That's cool. And I'm running the transparent in here. And I'm in Tokyo right now. I'm gonna configure Tokyo as the VTP client, VTP mode client, VTP domain network EL, and VTP password network EL123. All right. Configure Madrid as server. Oops. Configure Madrid as server, Miami as transparent, and Tokyo as client. Okay, and I also gave the VTP domain name network EL and password as network EL123, and that's cool. Let's look at the second step. Create VLAN 10, 20, and 30 on Madrid and check the show VLAN command output for the 3 switches. Let's go. I'm in Madrid and I will create 2 VLANs. Madrid. I'm gonna create VLAN 10, VLAN 20, and VLAN 30. And let's check the show VLAN command for Madrid first. Show VLAN. When we check the show VLAN command on Madrid, we can see that we have VLAN 10, 20, and 30. It's cool. I'm not gonna configure any VLAN statements on the other switch. I'm not gonna create or delete a VLAN. I'm just gonna check what's going on there. So there we go. I'm in Miami right now. Oh, I don't know why it's not typing sometimes. Okay. Show VLAN Miami. In Miami, I have just VLAN WAN. Alright. I don't know if we are expecting this or not. What do you think? I'm gonna tell you, but let's take a look to the Tokyo 2. Hey Tokyo, show me your VLANs, man. Okay, as you see that, this is not what I'm expecting. So I need to check the configuration first, if there's something wrong or not. To verify VTP configuration, we are using show VTP status command. In show VTP status, we can see that this is a client switch and domain name is network EL. And let's say show VTP status for Miami 2. This is server, but that would be transparent, I think. So I need to change this. VTP mode transparent for Miami. but as I remember we have changed this. Okay. I need to set the password again too, but it's already the same. All right. Let's see show VTP status in Madrid. Its server and domain name is network EL. All right. Show VLAN 102030. Show VLAN. Come on, man. Show VLAN just 1 and show VLAN just 1. Okay, I couldn't fix the issue still, but we'll go ahead to troubleshoot. Then in the end of the question, I'm gonna say the whole thing to you too. Alright, I want to check the trunk configurations too, if they are sharing the VLANs or not. Gig 0, 1 and 2. Show run is not. Interface gig 0, 1 and switch port mode trunk is not working again, and 0, 1 and 0, 2 in here, 0, 1 trunk and 0, 2 also be trunk, and 0, 2 for this switch also needs to be a trunk port. Switch port mode trunk. Alright, let's wait that these ports turn to green, but I can check the show VLANs on Madrid too now. Show VLAN Madrid 102030. Okay. Hey Miami, show me your VLANs, man. Just VLAN 1. And hey Tokyo, show me your VLANs. And yes, this is the output that I want to see. So, why this is the output that I want to see? I have VLAN 10, 20 and 30 in Tokyo. I don't have these VLANs in here, Miami, and I have these VLANs in here. In Madrid too, I have this VLANs, right? Because of this. What's going on? Because of this, I configured Madrid as VTP server. I configured Madrid as VTP server and Miami as VTP transparent and Tokyo as VTP client. And I created 3 VLANs on Madrid, VLAN 10, 20 and 30. These VLANs were not in the show VLAN table of Miami, but I could see that VLANs in the Tokyo show VLAN output. Because the Miami switch is transparent switch, which means this switch doesn't participate the VTP, but forwards the VTP advertisements transparently. So because of that, I created these VLANs on Madrid because this is a server, and Miami didn't add those VLANs 10, 20, and 30 to its own database because that's transparent, but let them to go to Tokyo. The advertisements came to Tokyo, and because of Tokyo is a VTP client, these VLANs were added to the VLAN database of Tokyo. Alright guys, that was a great session. Oh, 1 minute. I've forgotten to configure the Gig01 interfaces for Madrid and Miami, and Miami's Gig00 and Tokyo's Gig00 as trunk. To share the VLAN information, these interfaces should be trunk, as you know. That was the problem in the question, and I troubleshooted it. I found the problem and changed them into trunk, and my topology worked as I expected. Alright guys, that was a really cool and great session, and thanks for viewing.